Hello everybody, Jaime here with Elite Pro AV, and we are at InfoComm 2022 in Las Vegas, where we are showcasing our brand new Presenter Pro CLR2. This is a portable folding frame projection screen that is capable of eliminating and absorbing up to 90% of ambient light. As you can see from this trade show lighting, it's barely getting affected, and is performing and providing a bright, clear picture with great color saturation and black levels. This is perfect for boardrooms, for the classrooms, and for any conference room applications. It includes a nice draped skirt, and it is adjustable for various height requirements, and it includes a carrying case, a soft padded carrying case, where you can fit the entire product, and it's easy to store and easy to travel with, and provides a very good solution for those that need ultra short throw projection and a short throw projection. It's coated with a laminate coating that makes it scratch resistant. For more information on this product and other Elite Pro AV product, visit www.eliteproav.com. Thank you.